Lily, where's Lily? Birthday cake? Oh.
What are you doing, kid?
I think you're so funny.
Lily?
Oh, no. Yeah, that's enough. That's quite enough. Yeah. No. Oh, okay.
Sorry, I'm not helping.
Hey, Tyson. Got some shaving cream for you.
Do you want a wipe?
Do you want 10 wipes? All right, can you help clean up? Super. That looks much better. You were gonna eat all your cake anyway, right?
No, never. Truly.
Need another wipe?
This is stiff stuff.
Yeah. Right?
I think this plan was flawed.
Whose kid is that?
You were supposed to go with Heather Neldon.
Hey, Lily. Hey, remind us, Lily. Say, I'm cute. I need a reminder.
Hey, Lily.
Oh, thank you for cleaning. Thank you.
I think this thing works.